Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. In this video, I'm going to be going over a lead source I've been using to get signups and leads. It's called Leadsleap. All right, I'm going to show you a few things here in the back office. This is my dashboard. Okay, this is you could advertise, post free ads. I'm going to go into that right now. So I get free credits for being a pro member. So you could add a new ad, you could add your URL, you could add a catchy title, add text and an image, and select the category and preload the credits for this ad. But that's the thing, you have to have credits before a free member. You get paid as a free member, but you have more benefits as a pro member. And I'll show you that here in a minute. So, oh, and also you have to serve ads, 10 ads a day. All right, and then we're gonna go to the post pro ads. Okay, it's only, I believe, $27 a month, which is not bad at all. All right, so you're gonna have to add a new ad here, add your image, add your URL, and then add a catchy title, add your ad text, add a relevant image, and then you're gonna choose the category: standard ad, product review, blog, free giveaway, new launch. Okay, and these are the ads I posted so far. So I've got 525 visitors for that one, 499 visitors for the second ad, 894 visitors for my copywriting assistant ad, and 865 visitors for the second copywriting ad. Right? You could write social reviews. You could do my top recommendations, read reviews. You could add a rotator, add bars, traffic links. Okay. You could do email marketing, email series. Okay. So it's a business in the box pretty much. Okay, and it's really cheap. You don't have to pay that much for it. And also, I wanted to bring your attention to the page builders. Okay, this is the one of the pages I built, which is, I think, is pretty cool. Right, so we're gonna go back, and then we're also gonna show you some proof. Oh, and this is another page I built here. We're gonna go into it right now. Right, so this is a multiple income or multiple leads funnel that I built. All right, and then I'm gonna show you some proof also as well too. This is from 24/7 Level Up that I've been promoting, and this is all the traffic I've been sending to it. Okay, some of it's paid and some of it's free. And then we're gonna go down to some other stuff I've been promoting with Leadsleap. So we're gonna go to Jarvis, the text, the but I've been promoting to let's see, the ad copywriting assistant. Okay, so this is from Hercules, another free source. I've been promoting Leadsleap. I got 10 opt-ins already. Okay, YouTube, I got 4 opt-ins and 6 opt-ins for another lead source I've been sending out, which is free by mailing daily leads. Okay, so this stuff does work, right? You just gotta put it to use. Now, if you are interested in joining Leadsleap, just go ahead and click on the link below. And thank you for viewing my channel.